everyone, my name is Anya Anti. I'm a fine art conceptual photographer, and today I'm here with the new Nikon Z50 Mirrorless Camera. So in the past few years, I've been shooting with Nikon D600, which is an older camera, and it doesn't have all the new technologies, but this one is very lightweight, very compact, very comfortable to hold in hands, especially in small ones like mine, and it's a big upgrade for me. There's so many new technologies in this little one, but it's so simple to use, it's easy to navigate, and it's very intuitive. It has over 20 megapixel DX sensor. Today we were doing this cool fun little shoot in the studio, and in the past I used to shoot all the way through the viewfinder, but today I found myself using the screen much more often, and it shows you exactly what you get in a frame. I really love using touchscreen because it was so quick and easy to change between settings, so you don't have to go into the menu, you can actually do everything on the screen. The really cool and new feature for me was the IAF autofocus. So it actually focuses on the person's eye, so you don't need to worry that it's out of focus on your picture. So you can actually see a little yellow square on the screen tracking the eyes, and I loved how quickly it did the focusing. There are two new DX lenses are being introduced with this camera. So the first one is 16 to 50 millimeter, and the other one is 50 to 250. And they cover pretty much all the range, starting from landscape photography to sport and fashion and wildlife. Today I was also able to try out two other Z lenses, which is 35 millimeter 1.8 and 50 millimeter 1.8. I really loved working with them because I prefer faster apertures. This camera also shoots beautiful 4K video. I don't really shoot video a lot, but I was able to get a little clip to show you the quality. Another cool feature about this camera that you actually can connect it to the SnapBridge app and transfer video and stills to your phone or smart device. So it's really great for people who use a lot of social media, so you can post Instagram stories or any other post right away. This camera also has a flip screen, and what's cool about it that it turns into selfie mode, and you can actually take a selfie but with a much higher quality. But it's also really great for things like vlogging, behind the scenes, and other video content.
Oh, look how cute the boats. Ooh! Oh, look at us. So cute. I love it.
Thank you so much, Nikon, for letting me try out this new Z50 camera. It was a really fun experience and a great upgrade for me. Do not forget to subscribe to Adorama TV. Thank you for watching and see you next time.